India has the largest number of schools of any country in the world. To really address the challenges that face Indian education, I think one of the key pieces is technology.
They did not have an infrastructure to set up a lab here. The students over here are basically from the nearby slums. They have never seen a computer earlier. We have observed many of the students who are really very intelligent, but they are not getting proper opportunities.
HP's approach to education has been, how can we use the most advanced technology in the world to work for the poorest children studying in India? Lab in the Box is basically a lab which can be created, installed at very short notice, and provides a ready-made room which houses 15 computers, has internet access.
This Pan HP project, it's something very amazing for the students. Otherwise, they would never have thought of getting an access to this kind of program.
Mindspark is an adaptive learning program based on questions and activities that can be customized to each child's progress. As the system is used by more and more students, it identifies the problem that any child may face and is able to adapt better to the particular path and the progress of the child. The teacher is available to help where needed, but while the children are working on this system, it engages them and allows them to work at their own pace.
HPA જે લેબ આપી છે એનાથી બાળકોનું ગણિત અને ભાષાનું શિક્ષણ ખૂબ ઊંચું આવેલ છે. એના જે પ્રોગ્રામ છે એમાંથી એ મેળવી શકે અને એ જોઈ અને એના વિશેનું માહિતી મેળવી શકે. એ બાળકોને વાલ કરી અને જે આ પછાત એરિયાના બાળકોને જે શિક્ષણ આપ્યું છે અને એના મુખ ઉપર હું જ્યારે હાસ્ય જોઉં છું ત્યારે મને ખૂબ આનંદ થાય.